November 12th, 2015. Goal: learn about the families on the periodic table. My family, the alkali metals. Location: far left of the periodic table, except hydrogen. The valence electrons. There is one valence electron, meaning it is S1, and there is one dot on the electron dot model. The physical properties is that it's shiny, soft, metal, and highly reactive at standard temperature. The chemical properties. It is low density, average melting point is about 162.82 degrees Fahrenheit, and the average boiling point is about 1,537 degrees Fahrenheit.
Hey
Next!
guys, today we're going to be learning about the alkaline earth metals, which is located in the second row of the periodic table.
All of the alkaline earth metals have two valence electrons. We also showed you an electron dot diagram. Some of the physical properties that the alkaline earth metals have are they're silver colored, they're soft, and they have low density.
Some of the chemical properties that they have are it reacts with halogens, it reacts with water except beryllium.
That is all we have for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video.
The location for transition metals is in the D block. The valence electrons are 2. They only contain 2 electrons from the S levels. The electron configuration will contain 3d to 6d, 1 through 10. Physical properties. Colored compounds, good conductors of electricity and heat. Malleable, meaning they're able to be bent and fixed. High melting points. Chemical properties. Compounds formed from variable oxidation states and colored compound. Post-transition metal. Location is between transition metals and metalloids, so this little staircase here. Valence electrons, 3 to 6, contains a full s level and partial p orbitals or full p orbitals. Electron configuration always contains a full s level from 3s to 7s and will contain at least one p orbital. Physical properties. They can be soft or brittle, lower melting point and lower boiling point than transition metals. Chemical properties characterized by covalent bonding tendencies, acid-base amphoterism, formation of ionic spaces.
Doing a paper slideshow on metalloids. It's located between the other metals and post-transition metals and has a valence electron, 3 for boron, 4 for silicon, 4 for germanium, 5 for arsenic, 5 for antimony, 6 for tellurium, and 6 for polonium. It's it's located between other metals and post-transition metals, and the chemical properties are that they are metals and non-metal properties.
Go.
That was really bad.
This is Brooklyn Hairston. Non-metals are the family I have to talk about. The non-metal family is located on the upper right side of the periodic table. They all have 4 to 6 valence electrons with the exception of hydrogen. The physical properties of them are that they are either gases or brittle, dull-looking solids, and are poor conductors of heat and electricity. The chemical properties are that they have high ionization energy and gain or share electrons when they react with other elements or compounds.
Halogens. Located in group 17 next to the noble gases. All elements in the halogen group have 7 valence electrons. The chemical properties of the halogens elements are highly reactive and form acids and salts. The physical properties for fluorine is that it's a gas, bromine is a gas and liquid, chlorine is gas, iodine is solid, and acetylene is solid. The end.
This group of gases are called the noble gases. They are also called the helium group or the neon group. They are in the 18th column of the periodic table. There are 4 elements, so all of their last valence electrons are in the 18th column. They are colorless, odorless, non-flammable gases. They have low boiling and cooling point. Since they are 4 electrons, they have little tendency to the chemical reaction.
Lanthanides and actinides. Lanthanides and actinides are located on the periodic table in the f orbital. Valence electrons. Lanthanides and actinides both have electrons in the f orbital. Physical properties. Lanthanides are solid and most actinides are synthetic, meaning man-made, except for thorium, protactinium, and uranium, which are solid. Chemical properties. Lanthanides are very magnetic, while actinides are radioactive. The end.